Alright, it's Sunday morning. Two of my buddies are coming over today, Jay and James. Jay has the 350Z and James has the Gen Coupe. They're coming over. We're gonna make some banners here in my vinyl studio, and then after that we're gonna go out to our local spot. And Jay just got his diff welded, so we're gonna try that out. As soon as we get to the spot, I'll show you guys.
What was that?
Oh shit! Oh, I got yeah.
You get it while it's smoking.
The fuck happened?
Axle.
You gotta get close up. No, close up.
Really? Shit's
First
fucking.
time I've done donuts in this car since.
That fucking
Forge.
bearing sitting on the ground?
Dude, I mean, it looks sick when you were going fucking fast. I was like, damn, dude, that fucking looks fucking fun as fuck. I was just telling James, that looks fun as fuck. Yeah, it's so when I got it replaced by Subaru, they put in a WRX axle for some odd reason. So I've been waiting for that fucking thing to blow. That's all it took was.
So how you gonna get it home though?
I just gotta get someone to tell.
Yeah, just get one of the company or something.
God, no one of those.
Yeah.
How far you live?
I literally.
Nigga, you gonna die anyways.
Wait, why did they give me WRX?
Nigga, he gonna die anyways. Don't matter.
What do you mean?
Fucking McCormick Jr.
McCormick Jr. over here, yeah. What do you mean?
Bolted to the fucking back bracket. God, dude.
Where do you bolt yours?
I don't know. It's on the oil piece because if I roll over, I will die. I don't want an anti-submarine. Do you at least have Takatas?
Yeah, they're Takatas. Just
Oh, they're
look at the end
Tanakas.
in the middle.
Tanakas.
God, you guys fucking. I hate you guys.
Hey.
At least he got
Flipping
the
it?
fiber.
Yeah. James has been itching the wall tap.
I know.
I just.
Yeah, we were drifting and rolling by.
You fucking like what, gangster or what?
Yeah. Might come up a little bit more.
Yeah, he'll pass it down. Yeah,
When you out here doing sketchy shit.
We might put a sketchy sticker on his car when he's not looking. You want the James?
Yeah. I got a trophy.
Yeah, I don't want scrapes and creeps coming in.
Stop it!
They don't fuck with us. He usually asks for my permission. You lock it?
What's up, guys? Don't do it for the gram, dude. Don't do it.
YouTube video? Yeah. That's drifting? drift car? Get the peace sign. You gotta give a shout out.
Who's your favorite cousin?
Huh?
Who's your favorite cousin? This big ugly Tony.
He's a plumber.
You gonna buy you an STI?
Actually, I wouldn't mind one for daily for sure. I'd rock the shit out of it for daily. I probably want a hatch though. I find the hatch is ugly as shit, but I would want a hatch just so I can put like dumb shit in it, like snowboards or something. Dumb shit.
Where the hell Chris Walker at?
Fucking making dinner. Making meatloaf for the family.
Just rubs a little bit. It's got low life.
Damn, now that crack show. They just tuck
It
that
looks
back.
fast now.
He said, let me just tuck that back in.
Oh, it was behind it? Yeah, it was always cracked and just going that way, pulling it out. That'll start it, bro.
You out?
Got grocery.
Stay out of trouble.
Always.
Do you remember when I got out of trouble?
You gonna do something cool leaving or no?
Took him sliding the Miata one time, and now he's over there telling me my dad.
Oh my god. He's snitching on you?
Yeah.
Are you going with me?
Yeah, you want me to ride with me?
Yeah, right. Okay.
Alright, thank you so much. That's smart, man. Goodbye, Axel.
I'm probably gonna drift once he leaves.
Well, for being a Sunday, it's actually a pretty good day. We went out, did a couple street skids with the guys. A couple other random guys showed up. They're on their way somewhere else and did some random stuff for us. One of our buddies showed up with the Subaru and attempted to do some all-wheel drive donuts. And it worked until the third donut, and his driver front axle actually exploded. So we had to call the tow truck to come get him. Our buddy Jay with the 350Z, as you see in the video, he just welded his diff yesterday, so we're out practicing with that. He really likes it. So with that, guys, we're wrapping up our Sunday night here in Toledo, Ohio. We have an automatic to manual BMW swap going really soon. A angle kit on a Gen Coupe that's going to start as soon as we receive it in the mail. Things are always breaking, so this channel is going to be definitely filled with a lot of content from our daily lives to us, street sliding. So if you guys want to subscribe, hit the like button, that'd be awesome. See you guys next video. Alright, peace. That well at Diff Life.